Hello, this is a video to show you how to use Microsoft Office Word document. I'm going to be focusing on editing text and layout and reviewing spelling and grammar. I'm currently using Microsoft Office 2016. I've typed a sentence here to use as my example. Anytime you want to edit text, you need to highlight it first. So this bar here is where you can find your options for editing. First we have our font options. So as you can see, if you hover over each one, your text will change. So I'm going to choose Gotham Book. Here is your font size. This symbol represents bold, italics, underline and strike through. As you can see, they've turned dark grey, which means they're currently in use. So if I remove them, they should go back to light grey. Here's your font colours. So here's some preset colours, but if you click on more colours, there are more options available. Here are the colours available to highlight your text. These lines here represent alignment, so my text is currently aligned from left to right. So if I want to centre it or align it from right to left, just click. Here's where you can find your bullet point options, so there's some numbers and symbols. Here's an indentation, so how far your paragraph starts in from your margin. And here's some options for finding and replacing text. So if you have a really long document and you just want to replace either one specific word throughout the whole thing, so rather than scrolling through to find each word separately, you can ask it to do it for you. So if I type in the word I want it to find, so I want it to find the word hello, and replace it with the word hi, and then click replace all, it's done it for me, and it will tell you how many words it's replaced. Also for finding a word, it's much easier than scrolling through and looking for it yourself. Just type the word you want it to find. It will highlight those words and tell you how many there are. Right, moving on to layout. If I type start another paragraph here, you can see the gap between the two paragraphs is bigger than the gap between the sentences. You can change the size of that gap if you want. So if I just highlight that gap, here in the spacing section, the gap is currently at 11 points. So say I wanted to make it smaller, I just need to alter that number. If I type 8, it's made it slightly smaller. And then with regards to your margins, to ensure they're on, or if you do want to see them, just go to View or Print Layout and make sure your ruler box is ticked. And then if you do want to alter your margins, highlight your text first and alter as you wish. Now for spelling. So Word has a default feature that underlines words that are spelt incorrectly with a red line, or sentences or words that are grammatically incorrect with a blue line, and it will underline them according to the language it's set in. So my language is currently set for British English, and my name is not an English name, so therefore it's underlined in red. So it does not mean the word is wrong, so you have to check each word before you alter it. So if you right click on the underlined words or sentences, it will offer you options to change it or better it. But if you didn't have anything underlined and you want to make sure everything's spelled correctly, go to review and click on spelling and grammar, and it will bring up anything here that is incorrect and offer you options. Make sure that the language and the proofing language is correct, or the right language that you're using at the time, because it will only offer you words from that dictionary. And that is all for this video.